born in the present-day state of Manipur. At the age of 13, she joined the Indian freedom struggle with what? Hasipua Jodanang. And Jodanang was a political and spiritual leader of Naga tribe. This Jodanang, he was a political leader, and Rani joined him in what? In the freedom struggle against the Britishers. Now take page number, beta, next page, that is page number 28. Let us start page number. Jodanang started a movement to drive away British kar nikal do, away from the British from Manipur. He was arrested and hanged by the British. The Britishers hanged him. After the death of her guru, Gadinolo Azam's leadership of the movement, she started, and the British tried to suppress the movement. Rani went underground, chip gai. But very soon she was arrested in 1932. She was sent to jail. Then Gaidinulu was arrested after India gained its independence. She was honored. उनको क्या किया? पुरस्कार. Honored with what? Tampatra and Padma Bhushan award. She was given what? Tampatrata and Padma Bhushan award. Jawaharlal Nehru called her Rani of the Nagas because she belonged to Manipur. So Rani was from Manipur, so she was called as what? Rani of the Nagas. She passed away on February 17, 1993. Then we call it, fourth point, look there, Tantia Bhil. Tantia was a member of the Bhil. Bhil is also one type of tribal of the Adivasi community. He was born in Nimad, Madhya Pradesh around 1844. He was active in British India between 1878 and 1889. He was famous as an Indian what? Robin Hood. People used to call him Robin Hood. Why? Because he was against the Britishers. Tantia was the first arrested around 1874 for bad what? Livelihood, and after a year's sentence turned to be more serious crimes of theft and kidnapping. He used to do what? Bad to the British, not bad to his own people, tribes. He was arrested in 1878 by Haji Nasrullah Khan Yusuf Fazi and jailed in what? Khandwa. Escaped after only 3 days. He escaped from that, and from there took up his career as a what? Dacoit. He became Dacoit, Daketi Marna. Tantia was hanged by the Britisher in 1890. So 1890 was the revolt of the people at Bastar. Bastar is located in what? Chhattisgarh. It is on plateau. It is on the plateau where the houses are there. There are many tribes that community live in Bastar, such as Durwas, Halbas, Batras, Muria and Maria Gonds. They were common customs and beliefs, but they speak different language. So underline all these names of the communities. The people of the Bastar believe that God has given all natural resources. The people of Bastar were very worried, बहुत चिंतित थे due to the forest loss of the British. Many tribals were displaced without compensation or any notice. Tribals, they were removed out because without giving any notice or compensation, no money and all. This was very unhappy due to land rent and free what? Labor. So people were very unhappy of that because they had to pay tax. There were terrible famine, Akal, during the period of 1899 to 900 and 1907 to 19 for 1 year. 1908, the people of Bastar began to discuss their problem. They circulate mangoes, then chilies and a lump of earth in village to start revolt against the Britishers. So these are the things. They send it. The initiative was taken by Gunda Dhur. So this person start taking this. He belonged to Durwa community of Kangar forest. The tribal communities looted bazaar. Underline. Tribal लोग क्या करते थे? They loot bazaars, the house of the traders and officials. The British sent army to suppress the revolt. Many tribal villages were deserted because, underline, tribals भाग गए. Why they ran away? Because deserted means to run away, because tribal fled into the jungles. Jungles they ran away. Conclusion is here. Tribals fought against the British for their rights, freedoms and areas. Many tribal went to urban areas, means city में चले गए for their livelihood. They become workers in factories. They started working in the factories. The struggle of the tribal showed what? Unity against the common enemy of Indians, Who was the common enemies of the Indians for tribals? They were Britishers. I hope you understood the lesson. Read the lesson carefully and try to understand it. New words and the PDF will be sent to you. So complete your copy, children. Have a good day. Thank you very much.